This isn't a cry for help. I have to realize that no one can really feel the way that I felt. There was a lot of pain to heal, but I dealt. I just want to be real and let my emotions out. I'm a sinner. I'm a sinner for wanting to be thinner. I'm a sinner for skipping out on dinner. I'm a sinner for thinking I was ever a winner. I did not wait. I couldn't wait to get out there and date. All that left me with was a lot of hate. Questions like, is this all that I am? Just a fine piece of ass for every man to say damn. I was scared, broken, and bleeding wide open. Only way I got better was I never stopped hoping. Hoping I wouldn't have to walk around with my face down, hitting the damn ground, not being able to make a single sound. But now, I feel free. I feel free because I allow myself to be. I've made my mistakes, but I've learned my lesson. This is the truth, God heard my confession. I may not be where I want to be, but I am not where I was. Everything I do now is for a good cause. See, the good can outweigh the bad. Not just when you're happy, even when you're sad. You control it, it's within your thoughts. It's within the fight you fought. You thought you lost, but you didn't. Just remember that everybody does have a limit. But live your life before you reach your limit. After all, this is life, this isn't a gimmick. See, I turn my negatives into a positive. Like in math, multiplying negatives makes a positive. I'm not saying two wrongs make a right. I'm saying they could if you fight. I shifted lanes, I changed my motion. Started writing things down, became my devotion. All I ever do is think. So I express myself through my writing and my ink. Please understand that I am not a perfect person, and that some days my attitude does worsen. But writing is my expression. It helps me deal with my depression. Sometimes I still slack, but I've never gone back to those bad nights with words slurred, another shot even though thoughts already blurred. I'm over it, there's no doubt. No more looking stupid when I go out. I changed my route, because living that life was like living in a drought. See, I'm out of my dry spell. But before this, I fell into hell, a place of evil and suffering. On the right path now, just need a little buffering. I thank God that I'm still here, another year older. So blessed that I got to feel the weather get colder. Stop hating and you'll feel love. It's really the little things that are God's gift from above.